eigenlijk net.
Time 1 hour earlier than Munich, and the ground temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. Please switch off any electronic device you might be using now. We also ask you to make sure seatbelts are securely fastened and your seat back and tables are in the right position. Passengers with connecting flights should contact our ground staff. Thank you.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Everything alright? Everything alright? Looks good, looks good. Stable, 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 stable. Yeah, it looks good, it looks good, it looks good. We did it, we did it.